Morning, the sky of Yuxi is flooded with faint fish belly white, and the sunlight began to slowly sprinkle down on this peaceful land. Yunnan Frontline Cable Company, a piece of photovoltaic panels like dazzling crystal, quietly waiting for the embrace of the sun. The hard-working workers also started their day's work, carefully check every aspect. Early morning sunshine, brilliant photovoltaic panels, and busy workers form a beautiful picture. Intelligent manufacturing plus photovoltaic power generation in one fell swoop. Superimposed industry to maximize returns. Prostrate cable production workshop. What exactly is hidden in the forefront of the industry's wealth code? In 1939, the production of China's first domestic cable was officially completed in Yunnan. 56 years later, in 1995, ProStar Cable was born in Daying Street, the first village in Yunnan. In Yuxi, when it comes to prostate cables, it can be said that no one knows. As a famous national high-tech enterprise in Yunnan province, Prospect Cable produces wire and cable products, not only widely used in domestic power transmission, transport, energy, communications, national defense, urban construction and other fields. It is also exported to ASEAN and Africa, etc. From manufacturing to smart manufacturing. Some new tests are also in front of the enterprise. For example, as an intelligent manufacturing enterprise, in addition to normal lighting and simple equipment operation, but also need to use a large number of mechanical intelligent equipment, higher power, high power consumption. The workshop every year in the cost of electricity is a huge amount of money. With the intensive development of distributed photovoltaic, Frontline Cable, always at the forefront of innovation, quickly discovered this new wealth hidden on the roof. Integration of rooftop power generation with shop floor power generation. Achieve the best, new energy plus new manufacturing, synergistic effect. At present, the roof area of the Prostate Cable Company is about 20,000 square meters. Installed 7,285 pieces of UMC 182 single-glazed solar PV panels. It is expected that the annual power generation capacity of 4,800,000 degrees, according to the municipal electricity price of 0.6 yuan per degree, can save 2,800,000 yuan cost in electricity consumption every year. The economic benefits are very obvious, not only to solve their own electricity demand, but also to provide surplus to supply the grid, bringing additional revenue. In the cable production process, an important influence of ambient temperature, both too high and too low, can affect productivity. Oxidation, discoloration and cracking can occur. Nowadays, covering the production workshop under the shade of A. With the movement of the sun, the brightness of the light will gradually diminish. Not only does it guarantee a constant ambient temperature, improves the safety of the production, but also provides a cool working environment for the workers in the hot summer months. In recent years, the state has introduced several rounds of power restriction plus blackout policy. Manufacturing companies that consume a lot of electricity are bound to be affected in some way, especially when products on the production line are waiting to be delivered urgently. Once the delay is caused, the loss is difficult to measure, and access to photovoltaic power generation and off-grid integration mode transformation can achieve power outages without power, greatly reducing the demand for electricity on the impact of enterprise capacity. The emergence of photovoltaic plus smart factory model, while improving economic efficiency, but also for the implementation of the dual carbon goals, and the organic combination of manufacturing upgrading pointed out a new path. With the promotion of dual carbon policies, comprehensively moving towards green, low carbon and high quality development transformation. Comprehensively moving towards green, low carbon and high quality development transformation. It is the common mission of every Chinese enterprise. At present, by the United Plastics Banho full support of the forefront of the cable distributed photovoltaic power generation project, has completed the construction of all 4.2 megawatt scale, equivalent to planting 26,000 trees per year, saving 1728 tons of coal for power generation, reducing carbon dioxide emissions by 144 tons, reducing dust emissions by about 1305 tons. Photovoltaic leads the future, intelligent manufacturing helps take off.